Product name. 35 cup thick door 3/4 soft closing hinge. Model 273 a 3D 273 a 3H. Material cold rolled steel. Load capacity tank 2 pieces. Opening angle 100. Applicability cabinet doors etc. Finishment nickel plating black. Product function small angle buffering universal for thick and thin doors. When the force exceeds 70 degrees, it can hover freely. When the second stage force is less than 70 degrees, it can be slowly closed. When the 3-stage force is less than 10 degrees, it can soft closing at a small angle. 35 mm cup can be used for doors with a thickness of 16-25 mm, achieving universal use for thick and thin doors. One product can meet more needs of customers.